Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make lollipop sauce. To begin, you will need to gather your essential ingredients. This includes 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of light corn syrup, and 1/4 cup of water. It is also crucial to have your lollipop molds and sticks ready and waiting. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient process once the cooking begins, as the mixture sets quickly. Next, combine your 2 cups of sugar, 1/2 cup of corn syrup, and 1/4 cup of water in a sturdy, heavy-bottomed saucepan. Place this mixture over medium heat, stirring continuously until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. Once dissolved, cease stirring and carefully insert a candy thermometer. Allow the mixture to cook undisturbed until it reaches a precise temperature of 295 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage. As soon as your sugar mixture hits 295 degrees Fahrenheit, promptly remove the saucepan from the heat source. This timing is critical for perfect lollipop sauce. Now, quickly but carefully stir in about 1/2 teaspoon of your preferred flavor extract, along with a few drops of food coloring to achieve your desired hue. Remember, the mixture will start to cool and thicken very quickly, so speed is essential during this step. After adding your flavor and color, let the mixture cool for just 1 to 2 minutes. This brief cooling period makes it slightly easier to handle. Then, using a heat-resistant spoon or a small pitcher, carefully pour the hot liquid into your prearranged lollipop molds. Immediately insert the lollipop sticks into the center of each mold. Allow the lollipops to cool and harden completely for at least 30 minutes before attempting to remove them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.